Did you know that over 35% of major car breakdowns are caused by simple fluid change mistakes that most drivers don't even realize they're making? It's not always worn-out parts or old age that kills a car. It's the wrong fluid, the wrong level, or a skipped step during routine maintenance. But here's the good news. Once you know what to avoid, you can extend your car's life by hundreds of thousands of miles. In this video, we will uncover the 7 most common fluid change mistakes that destroy cars fast, and how you can avoid every single one of them. Stick around until the very end, because mistake number 1 alone could be the secret to making your car last over 700,000 miles. Let's get started. Mistake 7, using the wrong fluid. This is the #1 fluid mistake that destroys cars fast. Pouring in the wrong stuff. Every fluid in your car is engineered with specific additives, viscosity, and chemistry to match the exact metals, seals, and components in that system. For example, the wrong transmission fluid can prevent proper clutch engagement, cause overheating, and wear clutch plates within a few thousand miles. In engines, the wrong oil viscosity can starve critical bearings or allow sludge to build up, starving oil galleries. It's not just oil or just coolant, it's engineered protection. Even something as simple as oil viscosity makes a huge difference in whether your engine runs cool or grinds itself down. That's why always match the exact spec in the owner's manual and double-check the fill label. It's cheap insurance against catastrophic failure. Mistake 6, overfilling or underfilling fluids. Most people know they shouldn't let a car run low on oil, but what they don't realize is that overfilling is just as destructive. Too much oil creates foam when the crankshaft churns it like a blender, and that foam doesn't lubricate. It starves bearings and builds pressure that blows seals wide open. Underfilling, on the other hand, is like running a marathon while dehydrated. Pumps suck in air, bearings run dry, and overheating destroys components in minutes. The same goes for coolant, transmission fluid, and even power steering fluid. Levels matter. The correct way is to follow the dipstick or fill line exactly. Hot or cold is specified. And here's the kicker. Always recheck after the engine runs and cycles fluid through the system. That second check reveals the true level and saves you from a silent killer. Mistake 5, mixing fluids. Mixing 2 different fluid formulations or throwing in unapproved additives can neutralize protective chemistry and set off corrosion or deposit formation inside critical systems. Brake fluid mixed with the wrong DOT or water-contaminated fluid will drop boiling point and promote internal corrosion that destroys ABS valves and master cylinders. Transmission and power steering systems have carefully balanced additive packages. Mixing in another brand or additive can make friction modifiers precipitate or gums form, causing delayed engagement and hard shifting. The golden rule is, if you don't know the chemical lineage of what's already in the system, do a proper drain and flush. Dilution isn't a fix. When in doubt, flush to the correct spec and refill only with recommended fluids. Mistake 4, not flushing contaminated fluid. Changing fluids without flushing is like mopping the floor but leaving mud in the corners. Old fluid carries tiny metal shavings, varnish, and water that immediately contaminate your fresh fill. In transmissions, that leftover debris sticks to clutch packs and valves, causing harsh shifts and overheating, no matter how new the fluid looks. Cooling systems, untreated sludge and rust limit coolant flow and trap heat, leading to head gasket failure far sooner than if the system had been cleaned. The fix is simple but often skipped. Flush, don't just drain. That means pushing all the old junk out before adding new. Yes, it takes longer, but half-done fluid changes do more harm than good. Don't just change the fluid, clean the system. Mistake 3, skipping filters and seals. Changing fluid without replacing the corresponding filters, seals, and crush washers is like giving your car a blood transfusion without changing the needle. Think about it. The filter's entire job is to catch the very dirt and particles that ruin engines, transmissions, and differentials. Leaving it in place means your brand new fluid is dirty from the second you start the car. The same goes for O-rings, gaskets, and those tiny crush washers on drain plugs. Reusing them may seem harmless, but one drip at a time quickly turns into a low fluid disaster. Always swap filters and seals when you change fluids. It's a $10 part that prevents a $5,000 failure. Don't cheap out on the most important step. Mistake 2. Ignoring contamination sources. Failing to investigate why a fluid was contaminated in the first place turns a one-time fix into recurring failure. If you find water in your coolant or milkiness in your oil, just topping off with fresh fluid is like painting over mold. The real problem keeps growing underneath. Water in the oil often means a blown head gasket or cracked block. Metal in transmission fluid points to a failing bearing or clutch pack. The smart move is to investigate before refilling. Pressure test the cooling system. Cut open oil filters to inspect for metal. The fluid is telling you a story about what's happening inside. Listen to it. Fix the cause first, then change the fluid. Anything else is a band-aid. Mistake 1. Neglecting coolant ratios. One of the most overlooked mistakes is using the wrong coolant ratio or topping off with plain water. Coolant isn't just about preventing overheating. It also prevents internal corrosion, lubricates the water pump, and raises the boiling point of the system. If you run too much water, the system loses its anti-corrosion properties, leading to rust in the radiator and heater core. Too much antifreeze, on the other hand, reduces the cooling efficiency and can cause hot spots in the cylinder head. Always check the freeze and boil protection rating with a tester, especially before winter or summer extremes, because the wrong mix silently eats your cooling system from the inside out. That's all for this video. These mistakes are the fast track to expensive failures, but the fixes are simple. Flush properly, replace filters and seals, diagnose contamination, and follow the service procedure. If you do those things, you'll dodge the majority of mystery breakdowns that empty wallets overnight. See you in the next video.